If your girlfriend has a male best friend who's always around, texting her, calling her, and somehow seems to be a bigger priority than you, listen very carefully. This video may save your relationship before it's too late. Many men face this exact situation. You start dating a beautiful, amazing woman, but soon you notice that there's this male best friend always in her life. She shares her feelings with him. She laughs with him. Sometimes she even cancels plans with you for him. Slowly, you start feeling like you're competing for her attention in your own relationship. This is not jealousy. This is about emotional boundaries being crossed. Example, you make a plan for dinner on Friday night. She agrees, but just a few hours before, she cancels because her male best friend had a bad day and needs someone to talk to. Instead of spending quality time with you, she's prioritizing his problems. You see, women often keep male best friends as emotional safety nets, someone who provides validation, attention, and emotional comfort. The male best friend gives her the attention without any sexual tension or conflict, and she feels fully in control. But this creates a dangerous dynamic where you, her boyfriend, are no longer her emotional center. And when a woman starts seeking emotional satisfaction outside the relationship, attraction and respect for you begin to drop. Example, you notice that whenever something exciting or upsetting happens in her life, you find out after she's already talked it through with her male best friend. You become the second person she shares her emotions with, which slowly pushes you out of the emotional center of the relationship. If she already has a male best friend who crosses boundaries and refuses to respect your relationship, then you must immediately break up with her. Do not fight, do not argue, and do not explain. Simply walk away. A woman who doesn't prioritize you is not worth your time. Most guys make a huge mistake. They either start competing with the male friend, constantly bring it up, appearing insecure, demand she cut him off, which triggers rebellion, or they tolerate everything, losing self-respect. All of these destroy your masculine frame and make her lose attraction even faster. Example, you start asking her why she needs to talk to him so often. You argue, you demand she stops, but she accuses you of being insecure and controlling. The more you push, the more distant she becomes, and eventually she starts defending him even more strongly. The 7 actions you must take. First, stay emotionally unbothered. Show 0 signs of competition. The more you're unaffected, the more she questions her own behavior. Example, instead of reacting when she says she's meeting him for coffee, you stay calm and go about your own plans. She starts noticing that you are unbothered, and that triggers her to reevaluate her actions. Second, rebuild your value. Work on your mission, ambition, and lifestyle. Become so attractive in your purpose that you naturally pull her focus back to you. Example, you focus on your career, your fitness, your social life. She starts seeing that you're leveling up and becoming more desirable, and her attention starts shifting back to you. Third, set calm boundaries. Have a mature, calm conversation. Tell her, I value trust in our relationship. Emotional boundaries with male friends matter to me, and I expect mutual respect. Example, you say, I respect your friendships, but I believe some things should only be shared between us as partners. I need to know we have that special connection. Fourth, trigger emotional seduction. Make her feel deeply seen, understood, and emotionally fulfilled by you. Replace the emotional support she seeks from him. Example, when she shares something, you listen attentively, ask questions, and connect deeply. Slowly, she starts coming to you first because you make her feel truly understood. Fifth, create subtle social proof. Build your social circle. Show that you are desirable and high value. A woman respects a man who has options but chooses her. Example, you're invited to events, people seek your company, and she sees other women showing you respect and admiration. This triggers her competitive instinct to secure her position in your life. Sixth, withdraw some attention. Stop giving her 100% access to you. When she senses your slight emotional distance, she will naturally seek your attention more. Example, instead of always texting her back immediately, You respond when you're genuinely free. She starts wondering what you're up to and begins craving your attention more. Seventh, watch her loyalty. Her reaction will tell you everything. A loyal woman will adjust and prioritize you. A disloyal one will double down on her emotional attachment to the male friend. Example, after you set boundaries, she either reduces contact with the male friend and invests more in you, or she resists and continues prioritizing him. This shows you her true loyalty. A woman must always feel that her emotional home is with you. If you control her emotions, you control her attraction. Masculine men don't fight for attention. They create a world where the woman wants to stay naturally. If you found value in this video, subscribe to Decodeher, where we teach you how to master emotions, control attraction, and build unbreakable relationships. Leave a comment if you're going through this situation. And remember, never chase, lead.